Overwhelmed by the thought of selling your fixer-upper? Maria's story might just change your mind. When Maria inherited her late uncle's home in the Bay Area, she quickly realized the property needed major work. The roof leaked, the plumbing was outdated, and the kitchen? Well, it was pure 1980s. Every agent she spoke to insisted on updates before listing. The quotes from contractors were sky-high, and Maria felt completely overwhelmed. Then she found Bay Area real estate buyers. "Are you sure I don't need to fix anything?" she asked during our initial call. "Yes, we buy as is. You don't need to lift a finger to repair or renovate." Maria couldn't believe it. Instead of spending months dealing with repairs and shelling out thousands, she had an offer in hand within days. No stress, no hassle, no extra costs. When we closed the deal, Maria said, "Not having to worry about fixing the house saved me so much time and stress. I never thought selling could be this easy." At Bay Area Real Estate Buyers, we make the process as simple and convenient as possible. Whether your property needs minor touch-ups or major renovations, it doesn't matter, we'll take care of it. Ready to sell without the headaches of repairs? Call us today at 510-224-4334. Let us handle the work so you can move on with ease.